Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide completed tasks in Asana. So let's get started. Open Asana and navigate to the project or task list where you want to hide completed tasks. Click Filter option, typically found at the top of the screen. Select Incompleted Task from the filter. Asana will instantly conceal all completed tasks, allowing you to focus slowly on the remaining active tasks. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.